Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool makes my right here, and basically what these are some shower caps. So you basically just put this right over your head, and this is actually really useful for people who have like really long hair. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it looks like there's 4 different colors in here. Let me take all of them out. So when you guys take it out, you guys can see this is basically what the product looks like. It's all nicely wrapped up. Let me actually open up all of them and then show you guys what it actually looks like. So the first one that we have right here, this is basically what it looks like. When you guys feel the material in here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely is pretty stretchable. But let me actually put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys put it on. If you can see, it definitely has a good coverage like throughout my head and also my ear as well. So this is basically what it looks like in the front. And this is what it looks like in the back. So obviously you can adjust it how you guys want to. If you guys want like a lot more coverage with more of your hair in the back, or if you don't want to put your hair inside the actual shower cap, you can definitely do that as well. But this is basically what it looks like for the first one that we have right here. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so here's the next one. So I believe this is like kind of like a purple color. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. If you guys notice on the shower cap, it definitely has this kind of like shiny look to it, which is pretty interesting. So it kind of makes you feel like you're glowing or shining or something, which is pretty cool. But this is basically what it looks like for the second one that we have right here. Let me show you the third one. Alright, so here's the third one. If you can see, this one also has a very good coverage as well. It definitely covers up all like here in the front, your ears, and also the back as well if you guys put it on correctly. And then you can just stuff your hair inside, just like the same as other ones as well. So this is basically what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. Now let me show you guys the last one. Alright, so here's the last one. So this is kind of like a red or pink color right here. Definitely looks pretty nice. So it definitely has a very good coverage like throughout the product to cover like the front of your hair, the back of your hair, and also the side as well, and also your ear if you want to cover that as well. And just the overall feel of the product definitely feels pretty nice and super comfortable. And if you guys don't want to get your hair wet, you definitely want to get one of these right here to protect your hair as well. But this is basically what the product looks like. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this set, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more and need one of these. Like there's definitely more than enough right here to last you guys for a really long time. Like I don't think these will break anytime soon. So if you guys just want to use one and change to another one and vice versa, you can definitely do that if you guys want to. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.